So we're back. With the Lamborghini being in the shop, I was getting a little antsy, so I figured why not make another video and show you another car we got here in the garage, and it is right here. This is a 1968 Pontiac Firebird. This was actually my dad's. He bought it brand new in 1968. He's had it ever since. So I kind of bought it from him about 2 years ago. It's one of those sentimental things, so this will never be for sale. You know, I like buying and selling things, but this is one of the things I'll keep. That way it could go to my son. But he bought it new. He used to drag race it, daily drive it. He would go to the shore with it. He would have surfboard racks on top of it and everything. Kind of grew up surfing, so hence my name, Wipeout, for my business. Kind of fits, but yeah, so pretty cool car. Again, he used to drag race it. It has a 350 in it. He had it bored out, 30 over, so nothing crazy. Has a 4-barrel carb, no cam or anything like that. When he was racing, he had 433 rear in it. And when I was about 2 years old, he blew the rear, and it kind of sat ever since. You know, I was born 2 years old, new baby at home, and you know, kind of life took over. So it sat in the garage until I was about, I guess, like 20. So maybe like 18 years later, I wanted to get it all back on the road and everything. So took the carburetor off, rebuilt that on the kitchen table. You know, changing the gaskets and all that stuff. And he had another rear ready to go for it. He had a 393 Camaro rear. So me and my cousin put that in, got the carburetor all going, started it up and got it running again. That was pretty cool because, like, you know, he hasn't seen it running for 20 years, and then it's all started up and running and back on the road. So that was really neat. Pretty much all original paint. I know on this fender and door, that's been repainted. When he was drag racing it, towards the end, he stopped daily driving it and just flat towed it, actually, to the drags every weekend. So one time he was backing up into the driveway and kind of scraped the fender and door. So that's been repainted, but pretty much all original paint otherwise. Neat color. I really like the color. Some people don't like it. I know back then it wasn't real popular because people were coming back from Vietnam and they were kind of sick of that army green look, but I'm glad he chose this color. I think it's a really cool color. It's different, unique, so I like it. Yeah, fun to drive. I mean, these old classic cars, you know, just the smell, the feel inside, you feel every bump and every turn and things like that. It's a little different. You know, you drive these new cars like my truck and even the Lamborghini, you drive that and then you get in this and it's like, wow, this is what like driving is, you know. So it's just kind of neat that way. But take a look inside here. Interior still in great shape for how old this car is. It's a 4-speed, so it has the M23 Rock Crusher transmission, they used to call them. Kind of sounds like you're crushing rocks while you're driving, so kind of fits that way. He kind of ordered the wrong one. I guess they make two different kinds, like a close ratio and a wide box. So close ratio is what he has, and that's not really set up for like drag racing. That's more of a road racing. So like when you go from second to third, it's really close. So it almost feels like you're downshifting when you go from second to third. So that's not really what you want for drag racing. I guess you want that wide box, a little further distance in between gears. But so that's that. The motor here, pop this and open this up. Not that clean. Needs some work. So it's been a fun little project like that. I just slowly like do little things here or there. I actually just added power brakes onto it, so, but it needs some dressing up, you know, some chrome and things like that, some paint. So we'll get there. Actually, our Pep Boys around here is closing down. So as you can see, I kind of went on a little shopping spree. Everything was 50% off. So I got some valve covers, air cleaner, and some chrome things here or there, new shifter, and, you know, dress it up. So I'll get this all painted up inside and, you know, cleaned up, and then put all the chrome accents on, and, you know, hose covers, things like that. So that way the outside looks good and the inside under the hood looks good as well. So, but fun car to drive. So maybe in a little bit we'll start it up and then take it out and do a little test drive with it. All right, it's a little hot, but we'll go for a drive anyway. Well, that was fun. A little hot. It's like 98 degrees out right now, but still a good time. Kept my mind occupied while the Lamborghini's getting serviced. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see anything else, let me know, and we'll see you on the next one.